morning, children. Welcome to Sanskrit class. We will start our today's class with a Subhashitam. Akashat patitam toyam yatha gacchati sagaram sarvadeva namaskaraha keshavam pratigacchati. It means, as the water which has fallen from the sky goes into the ocean, in the same way, salutations to all the gods reaches to Lord Vishnu. Here, the poet is trying to say that though we may call God by different names, but the supreme power is only one. The God is only one. Now, children, today we will continue our Visarga Sandhi. Now children, we will continue Visarga Sandhi. Our next rule is when Visarga changes to Ra. If there is a vowel before the Visarga except A and A, and after the Visarga there is any vowel or a soft consonant, means third or fourth or fifth consonant of each group, at that time Visarga changes to Ra. If next word begins with a vowel, then Ra combines with it. And if Visarga is followed by a consonant, then this Ra will be written as a rafar on the next consonant. You will understand this with the help of example. For example, Kavihi plus Agachat. We want vowel before the Visarga. Here we have E, and after the Visarga we have A. So Visarga will change to Ra. Now this Ra will combine with A of Agachat, and the answer will be Kavira Gachat. In the next example, Taihi plus Api, we have Aihi before the Visarga, and after the Visarga we have A. Now in place of Visarga, Ra will come. Now this Ra Halanta plus A of Api will combine, and the answer will be Tairapi. In the third example, Dhenuhu plus Gacchati, we have U before Visarga. We don't want A and A. Here we have U. And after that, we have a soft consonant G. Third, fourth and fifth consonant of all the 5 classes are soft. Here we have G, which is soft. Now, in place of this Visarga, Ra will come. Dhenura Gacchati will be there. Now, after the Ra, we don't have any vowel. So, we can't combine this Ra with this consonant. So, this Ra will be on the head of the G. It will come as a crescent on the next consonant. And the answer will be Dhenur Gacchati. Next example is Devaihi plus Na. In this example, we have Aihi before the Visarga, and after the Visarga, we have nasal Na, which is a soft consonant. So, in place of Visarga, Ra will come. Then, after Ra, we have a consonant. We don't have a vowel. So, this Rafar will be on the head of Na. Devair Na will be the answer.